Do your mountains look flat and lifeless? More like simple triangles than real rugged peaks? You're missing this key trick. The secret is to stack triangles in front of each other to create depth. Then light one side and darken the other. Now let's add some texture and surface to bring them to life. In this lesson, I'm going to show you step by step how to use light, shadow, and texture to make your mountains look bold and realistic. Grab your pencil and let's get started. What we're going to look at today is mountaintop. Let's think of a pyramid, okay? So you would start off with like a triangle, right? That's easy. We all got that. You might have a little angle coming down like that. That's easy. And let's say that the sun was shining from this direction here. And very lightly, you're going to tone in the left-hand side of this pyramid, right? Just like this. Let's draw another one right next door and let's put a flat base on it. Let's bring that line down just like that. But this time, let's put another triangle right there, you see? So this could be considered like a mountain range in a way. So we might have this peak come down here. It might go back up. So if you were to add a little bit of a tone here, look at that. So that's really all we're talking about when we're talking about mountains here. Okay, let's get this mountain in, all right? So let's come in first with this outline. Oh, you'll get there. It's cringe, it's not a mystery. You could get there. Just takes time. That's the only thing that separates me from everyone else. It's just I've just put in a little bit more time than the rest of you. But I think with my help and just you're practicing on a regular basis, I could get you there a lot faster than it took me. I made a lot of mistakes, and I think I can help you go a little faster. So all I'm doing is just kind of outlining the shadowed areas here. So come in here with that even tone. This is going to be the shadow of the snow. Cringe, you should join, if you have Facebook, you should join our Facebook group. With your YouTube name, you might even be part of it, and I don't even know. So, but we have a great group, great community of people there that are chatty and want to help each other out quite a bit. It's a nice group. Of course, all the meanies we've kicked out, so. Okay, so let's think of shards of coming to a peak here, okay? So let's come in here and redefine some of these lines. Okay, got a nice rock down here in shadow, right? Surface lines, trying to really separate one side from the other by a nice even tone. Look at this. You got those dark rocks that start to pop up down here. Some of my lines, I'm trying to get to follow the surface of this mountain here. Really, really looking closely at these rock surfaces, and I'm thinking of, as I'm putting my value down, I'm thinking like, is this in the shadow or is this in light? Should this be dark or should this be light? Should this be medium? Those are the thoughts that are going through my mind. Should this be dark? Should it be light? Is it a soft edge or is it a hard edge? What's the surface? That's how we do it. So I'm just thinking of these things as shards going up in the right direction, making sure where are these rocks? Are they light side or dark side? Okay, it's also, I'm really squinting at this drawing here to get some of these values. So that's going to help me as well. Okay, so let's see here. So you're going to start with the outline shape. Then you're going to come in and try and establish the main boundary of the shadowed side and dark side. Then once you establish that, you might come in even and establish where maybe some light's peeking in on the dark side. And then you're going to drop in this with one even tone. And then we go into detail and we make sure that a mountain, generally speaking, has 4 tones. Okay, you have the snow that's in the direct light, and then the snow that is in shadow. Then you're going to have the rocks. You have rocks that are in the light, and then rocks that are in shadow. You can think of even like I called them surface lines, but you can also think of like what is the direction of the snow going? All right, so directional surface. All right, that should do it for today. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Okay, have a great rest of your day wherever you're at. Go out there, make your day great. If you do have additional questions, please join our Facebook group. It's totally for free. Post your questions in there. You can direct it toward me, or even down here in the comments below, you can ask a question and I will try and answer it my best. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.